Hey, how are you doing? If you're new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Alright, today we have a little unboxing of an item I just recently got from Amazon. And let's see what it is. Alright, so let's take this out of the bag here. Let's see what it comes with. Alright. So this is basically the sound reduction rubber seal that helps you with wind noise. And basically what you do is you take this rubber piece over here and you install it around the roof window, and basically it provides you with less sound and a better ride quality. So this is very nice, and the quality looks pretty good. And it comes with this tool here to help you with the install. And to be honest, the ride quality of the Model 3 is amazing, and I'm not really noticing that much wind noise, but I'm hearing from other people that they are. So I'm going to compare the difference between the wind noise now and the wind noise after installation, and I'm going to see if it really does provide a reduction of wind noise. Alright, so that was a short video, and thank you for those subscribed, and have a nice day. Thank you. Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe, and the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.